Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show how to make spicy sauce for Enoki mushrooms. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need about 200 grams of fresh Enoki mushrooms, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of sesame oil, 1 teaspoon of minced garlic, and 1/2 teaspoon of chili flakes. Having all your components ready makes the cooking process smooth and enjoyable. Now, let's create that amazing sauce. In a small bowl, combine 2 tablespoons of soy sauce and 1 tablespoon of sesame oil. Next, add 1 teaspoon of freshly minced garlic and 1/2 teaspoon of chili flakes for that perfect kick. Whisk everything together until it's well combined and you can smell the wonderful aromas. This simple mix forms the heart of our dish. With our sauce ready, it's time to prepare the Enoki mushrooms. Start by trimming off the tough root ends from your 200 grams of mushrooms. Then, gently separate the clusters into smaller, individual portions. Bring a pot of water to a boil and blanch the mushrooms for just about 30 seconds. This quick blanching helps them become tender and ready to absorb the sauce. Finally, let's bring it all together. Carefully drain the blanched Enoki mushrooms and arrange them neatly on a serving plate. Now, generously drizzle your delicious, freshly made spicy sauce over the mushrooms. The vibrant flavors will truly awaken your taste buds. For more kitchen tips and great deals, including leak-proof containers for easy meal prep, be sure to check the description below. Enjoy your fantastic spicy Enoki mushrooms.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.